Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Learning Hub Pampa Majumdar. Today again I am back with an interesting and informative topic. It's all about clock and time. We have already learned few important things about clock and time. So let's do a quick recap. There are two types of clocks, analog clock and digital clock. This one is analog clock. There are two hands on the clock, the long hand and short hand. Long hand is the minute hand and short hand is the hour hand. The face of a clock has the numbers from 1 to 12 on it. The minute hand takes 1 hour to move once around the clock face, and the hour hand means short hand takes 12 hours to move once around the clock face. Now let's learn about half past. Children, here we need to remember that 1 hour means 60 minutes and half an hour means 30 minutes. Half an hour means 30 minutes. When 1 hour is split into two, we get two equal parts. Each part to be half an hour means 30 minutes. So when the minute hand starts from 12 and come to 6, it moves across half of the clock face, means it takes 30 minutes. It takes 30 minutes means halfway. So the time is half past of something. So when the long hand is at 6 and short hand is between any two numbers, it becomes half past of something. Look here, the short hand means our hand is between 1 and 2, which shows time is past 1 o'clock. Time is past 1 o'clock. And long hand means minute hand is at 6. So it moves across half of the clock face, means it takes 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So the time is half past 1. The time is half past 1 or 1:30. Now we need to know how to write the time. 1:30. It is also written as half past 1. Half past 1. Now children, let's practice few more examples. Look at the clock. Here the short hand means our hand is between 7 and 8, which shows time is past 7 o'clock. And long hand means minute hand is at 6. So it moves across half of the clock face. Half of the clock face means it takes 30 minutes. So the time is half past 7 or 7:30. It is also written as half past 7. Now look at the next clock. Here the short hand means our hand is between 3 and 4, which shows time is past 3 o'clock. And the long hand means minute hand is at 6. So it moves across half of the clock face, means it takes 30 minutes. So the time is half past 3. Half past 3 or 3:30. Let's write 3:30 or 3:30. Children, there is a surprise for you. Look here. This is analog clock and this one is digital clock. Yes, what an interesting thing, isn't it? So now we are going to see what is the difference between analog clock and digital clock. An analog clock has a face with the numbers 1 to 12 on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and two hands, short hand and long hand. One more thin hand is there. It is called second hand, but there are mainly two hands. Short hand means hour hand, long hand means minute hand. So these two hands that point to the hour and minute of the time. And this one is digital clock. Digital clock has a digital screen that displays the exact time in numbers. So children, this is the difference between analog clock and digital clock. Now you can recognize analog clock and digital clock very well, right? Children, let's have some fun with clock. Look at the clock and tell the correct time. Here, the long hand is at 12 and short hand is at 4. So, what is the correct time? Tell me. Good job. The time is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Now look at the clock and tell me what is the correct time. Good job. The time is 4:30 or 4:30. Here the hour hand is between 4 and 5, which shows time is past 4 o'clock, and long hand means minute hand is at 6. So it moves across the half of the clock face, means it takes 30 minutes. So the time is 4:30 or 4:30. Look at the clock. Now tell me what is the correct time. Yes, great job. The time is 5 o'clock. The long hand is at 12 and short hand is at 5. So the time is 5 o'clock. Now look here and tell the correct time. Very good. 5:30 or 5:30. Here the long hand is at 6 and short hand is between 5 and 6. So the time is 5:30 or 5:30. So children, that's all for today. Keep practicing and keep learning. Hope you had a great time with ma'am. And if you think the video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. So thanks for watching video. Bye bye.